They're not reliable for your email marketing efforts because you got to keep in mind that if you're promoting a business opportunity in which they have done for you email swipes, and you know that there are tens of thousands of other affiliates in the company, imagine those tens of thousands of affiliates using those same email swipes. And if you're using those same email swipes too, what is that going to create? That's going to create saturation. And you don't know how many times someone actually sees that kind of emails, and that's just going to turn them away. Because those email swipes, yeah, while they're done for you, they're not really tailored to sound like you. And that's why it's so important that when it comes to email marketing, you're going to make sure that you focus on writing your own emails, writing your own content. Because if you're not doing that, then you're hurting yourself. You want to make sure that you invest into an email marketing course that's going to teach you on how to write good emails, how to write emails that sound genuine, how they sound like it's coming from you. You got to make sure to do that early on, because the sooner that you do that, the better off you're going to be in your email marketing efforts.